In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get more sales without buying ads. So when I say buying ads, it means you may be marketing using sponsored ads where you first have to put some cash into your wallet and then you run ads. But with this method, you're gonna be getting more sales for free and without spending a dime. So all you have to do is to come over here to your seller portal, and on your left menu, you just have to come over here to grow your business. Click on the drop down arrow and then choose one of these options over here. Today you can choose promotions, applications, or you first go to promotions calendar. So let's just go to promotions calendar so that you can see what happens over here. This is where all the promotions that are coming or some that were there will be available for you to see. Like the first one is already closed, then there's the fourth one, the 4th of August is also closed. So you just scroll until you can see any promotion that's still available for you. So as I'm scrolling, you can see that there's still 28th of August, there's the 30th of August, but this doesn't matter because this is not where we want to go. I just wanted to show you that this is where you can see future promotions. Leaving the promotions calendar, you have to come over here to promotions applications. Now this is where you can apply for any promotion and your products will be promoted for free. You simply have to apply so that your products can be promoted and be shown to more customers. The first promotion that is for everyone, so everybody qualifies for these if they meet the requirements. Now how do you see the requirements? You just come over here and click the green arrow and then it's going to take you inside the daily deals. So you can apply until 5 o'clock or 17 hours every day. Now these are the requirements over here. So the first thing that they're going to need is your product TSIN code, which is what you find on your manage offers. When you come over here and you click manage offers, under each and every product that you sell, you will find your TSIN code, and you're going to come over here and put it over here. And the second thing, this is the second requirement, deal selling price. The deal selling price has to be at least 20 rand off the current price. For example, if you are selling something for 150, you have to at least sell for 130 plus 10% of RRP, and it cannot be less than 99 rand. So it means if you sell products that are around 120 or 100 rand, you do not qualify to apply for the daily deal. And then the total quantity for deals, and this means that you have to at least have 5 products and your deal revenue. So if you sell all these 5 products, at least you must be making 6,900. So if you have 5 products and each product costs 2,000 rands, you qualify. But if you have 5 products and all those 5 products each cost 100 rands, it means you don't qualify because the total is 5. But if you have more than 5, even if you're selling for 100 rand, let's say you have maybe 100 products, it means you can qualify. And you can also do this at lead time. So I'm only showing the first one because all the other that follows, they will be having almost similar requirements. Then there's lead time promotion. If you also want to run lead time, this is when you have stock in your house and anytime when your customers buy, you will be able to ship to them. So these are the requirements. If you're adding 10 products, you just come over here to add another product and you add as many products as you have. If you have 20 and you want to promote all 20, you just do likewise, and then you come over here, I understand the terms and conditions, and then you submit. So let's just go back because I'm not applying today. So let me discard the changes. Over here, let's go to Air Friday. Look at the Air Friday. They don't even need you to have 20 rand less. They just want you to have a less price than your current selling price. If you're selling for 150, you can move to 145, and that's all. That's the only requirements. But on the deal, revenue is still 6,900 rand, and items cannot be less than 5. If they're less than 5 in the warehouse, you can also run lead time. And then there is the mega books, which is gonna be happening. The close of submission is the 21st. which was, when I'm taking this video, it was yesterday. So this one has closed, but this is for people who sell books only. So if you also sell books, it means you would have qualified for this, meaning that you could have applied for the second promotion. And then there's top deals. On the top deals, they also show the products or categories that which for you to qualify, you have to be under those categories. Now the first category is TV, gaming, audio and media, mobile, computer components, printers, laptops, wearables. So if you also sell in some of these categories, this would be your third promotion. Now let's say you have 10 products or 20 products in your shop, and from maybe 5 different categories, it means already you could have applied for the third one. And then there's Braai Day Friday, meaning that this has to be braai equipment, charcoal wood. If you also have braai items in your shop, you also qualify for this. So there are so many promotions. Spring beauty if you're in beauty, and there's also the clearance September, and there is Air Friday, spring fragrance flash sale. So these are all the promotions that are available for you. If you apply 10 of these, if you qualify on 10 of these, it means every day you may be running free promotions, and you are making more money from that. And on your shop, it's going to show that this sale came from the promotion that you applied for. And this is a very good opportunity for you. Every time, come over here and check what you can apply for. Look how many promotions they have. That's why it's very important for you to sell in so many categories. You're not limited to how many categories you can sell to. You can even sell to all the categories that are available on Takealot, and that way you will be boosting or increasing your chances to sell more products. Search everything that's available for you here on your seller portal, and that way you will be increasing your sales. And that's how you boost your sales for free selling on Takealot. Thank you so much for watching up to here. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.